Hey guys, running Kimono here. So, bad news. That register reward, only one is printing out even if you buy 6 in one transaction. Whatever the glitch was last week, it has been fixed. They are a casino that does not like to lose, and I went and tested it out first thing bright and early this morning. And word to the wise, only one is printing. If you have a booster to go with this, maybe that's the way to go. But yeah, kind of sucks. So what I did for my little transaction was I grabbed 6 of these. And I'm always going to make the best out of something too, because there's still the Visa website to apply for a gift card, and it's just not the end of this, but it still kind of sucks. And then just to look at the tag a little closely, it says limit 1 register reward coupon printed per offer. So boom, they fixed it. Whatever the issue was where they were printing for the last 2 weeks, like if you got like the toothpaste and the this and that, more than one was printing, but now only one will print. So that kind of sucks. And then just to show you the digital that showed up this morning, it's an 8 off of 4. And as I said, I'm like, I think they're going to start giving us more of these with these store register reward offers or store coupon offers. And guess what? It showed up. So there it is. Now I also paired this guy with it, which is the 4 off the 2. Yeah. So, and all the digital coupons worked this morning and register rewards were printing as well. So it was kind of one of those days. I also threw in one of these, which are the freebies, the little Mentos. It's like a mint. Find this in the candy section. So just to show you my basket, 6 Olays and then the 1 Mentos. And yes, the register rewards printed for both of the items. And then just to jog through the math, if you were just going to get the Olays, 6 of them is 36, subtracting the $12 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying 24 out of pocket. Now, I paid cash bills because there's a website that you can apply for a $5 Visa gift card, and I will be doing that. I also got back a $4 register reward, which is a store coupon. I'm going to make an application to that $5 Visa gift card. I made an entire video dedicated to that. I will link it in the notes and at the very end if you want to check it out. And then I was supposed to get $5 of Walgreens cash for doing 2 transactions of $10. I did not get that, and I did take a screenshot of it because I noticed that it vanished out of my account. So I will be calling customer service to get to the bottom of that. But what it shakes out to, even at the very least with this, or if you even had like a spend 20, get back 5,000 and you paid cash for the balance, it would shake out to $10 for the 6 or $1.66 per Olay. If you consider that this body wash is upwards of like $7 at any store on most days, it's not a bad price point, all things considered. Now, just to show you the receipt, there it all is. And everything worked like really well today. So I think I need to go buy a lottery ticket or something because it just seemed like everything was going my way with the exception of the do 2 trips and then get $5 of Walgreens cash. That mysteriously vanished. So I will get to the bottom of that one. And then here are my beautiful little register rewards. And I did that Mentos deal twice. So what I had to do was do it in 2 separate transactions and 2 of them in fact printed. So that was pretty cool. So that was the first transaction. So word to the wise, guys, only one of those $4 coupons will print for that. It doesn't matter what you do. I know a couple other shoppers have faced that as well, but just word to the wise. Okay, so to answer a quick question, a lot of you were asking for that Visa website, like, hey, could I get bar soap? I think it is in fact included because it's like an Olay wash product, and bar soap is part of like a way to wash your body. I would say so. So give it a shot, guys, at the very least, because I know a lot of you this week, this is probably the only thing you'll be able to track down is bar soap. And I think for that Visa gift card, it's twice per household. So that's pretty cool. And if you were going to do this as a curbside pickup, like, I would recommend to do this in store because those register rewards, will they print? Will they give it to you? Will customer service help you with it? I would try to do it in store if you could, just to avoid a headache. Okay, so just to kind of back this up now, the first transaction that I did was with the Colgate. And the Colgate is on the same promotion as the Olay, which is to buy 2, get a $4 store coupon or register reward store coupon. And I tested this out first because I wanted to see if it was a store coupon or a register reward. So it is in fact a store coupon. And for this basket, I got 2 of the Colgates for $8, the Complete Home trash bags for $5.99, and 1 Mentos. Now, as you can see, the Complete Home is $7.49. And why I wanted to do this transaction at $10 and not use a bunch of Walgreens cash for this was I have a do 2 $10 trips, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So $5.99 for this, that is a steal. And then 2 of the Colgates are 4 a piece. Now we have a 4 off of 2. Apologies in advance, guys. I did not grab a screenshot of it, so I don't have a visual to show you of that. And then I also grabbed one of these guys because I wanted some free mints because I wanted some. So then just looking at this, guys, the Mentos is $1.29. The kitchen bag's $5.99. The Colgate is $8. Subtracting that $4, so I had to pay $12.12 with tax out of pocket. So I am well above that $10 mark if they wanted to give me trouble at customer service to get my $5 back. And then just to show you really quick, these are the register rewards that I got back. The $4 for the Colgate and the $1.29 for the Mentos. Now, what is this tomfoolery I keep mentioning? This showed up last week for me, which was to do 2 purchases in this window to get back 2 purchases of $10 to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And I had it in a larger thing, I think, in my preview video. And I know that this, I should have gotten it. And then they changed it to something else. It's like do 7 trips at 10, get back 5. So I will call and make this right. They have to make it right. I have a screenshot of it and I will pull up all the receipts with them because this is not cool that they go and change something and then now it's like 7 trips when it was 2 trips last week. So yeah, I'm Nancy Drewing this one up and I will get back my $5 of Walgreens cash. Lots of items are on clearance, and always a good rule of thumb is that when you walk into the store and if you see a manager or a cashier you're friendly with, say, what went on clearance on Saturday? What did they tag? And these chips that are part of a summer display are 20 cents now. So I didn't find it in the regular clearance aisle. I had to go into the chip aisle, and it's on a display center of the aisle, and they're 20 cents. So I think there might be something wrong with the packaging, like a spelling error or something, where Pringles wanted it all like taken back. But it's this wavy one, and it's 20 cents per can. So it was $1.99, and it's 90% off, which is unheard of. And again, it's summer chips. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to ask you to load the following digital coupons. Include this $3 one. So I believe the plugs over at Walgreens are $3, so it would make it completely free. This is just the plug that you put the oil into, so your house will smell amazing. Dollar General, Meijer, all those other stores have the exact same one, so load it on all of your digital accounts so you can get this guy for free, and it's always about $3. We have an 8 off of 4 for the Secret deodorants, and I think this is part of the buy 2, get a $4 store coupon. So that is a bear trap if I've ever seen one, but load it. Maybe we'll figure something out with it. And then we have this 10 off of 2 for the Olay anti-aging skincare. Perhaps we'll be able to whip up a quick deal with that. And the Bulldog, $4 off. This is also quite fantastic. And these are all digital coupons that are manufacturers as well, just to note that. I just wanted to crop in to show you guys. We have a $4 for the Schick. Lots of these Schick razor or cream, shaving cream, lots of these are popping up. We have the Soap and Glory, which is a 4 off of 2. This is valid till the end of the month, so that's always really nice to see. And then another shaver is the $4 off, a Schick razor, which are the higher quality ones, $4 off. And then we also have the $4 skin to mitt. So definitely I'll be able to whip up a deal probably tomorrow to accompany that and to make something right there. And then the final digital that you should be loading is the 4 off of 3 for the Pantene, along with all of the Colgate and the Crest coupons as well. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.